Clever Fox Planner Pro 2nd Edition is the ultimate large format planner for detailed weekly planning, goal setting, and staying organized all year round. It measures 8.5 inches by 11 inches and has spacious A4 pages to plan every tiny detail of your busy life. The hardcover is made of premium quality vegan leather. It features a pen loop, an elastic band, 3 colored bookmarks, and a back pocket for loose notes. The pages are made of thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper. Inside, you will also find 6 sheets of planning stickers and an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. The planner is divided into 12 monthly sections, each with a different color scheme, to make planning fun and help you navigate easily. Each month includes a comprehensive calendar, a monthly review, and 5 weekly planning spreads. All pages are undated, so you can start your planner anytime. Begin planning your month by marking all important dates, deadlines, and appointments on the calendar. Add any extra notes in a dedicated column on the left and list your top monthly goals. Then plan activities that will support your well-being using the table at the bottom of the second page. Creating a detailed monthly plan ahead of time will help you visualize how much you need to complete in the next 30 days. At the end of the month, reflect on your progress by completing a monthly review. The prompts and questions on these pages will help you understand what went well and what needs to be improved on in the future. Spacious weekly spreads help you to record tasks and appointments from Monday to Sunday, define the week's main goal and priorities, and create 3 separate to-do lists to plan your professional and personal life and your work-life balance. We've also added special areas to set goals and priorities for each day of the week, track habits, list the things that excite you the most, and reflect on your week once it's over. This weekly layout will help you manage your time easily and ensure you neglect nothing critical, while paying equal attention to your goals and overall well-being. But as always, this is only a tiny part of what awaits you inside this Clever Fox planner. It also features all our favorite tools for building self-awareness, setting global life goals, and strategizing your way towards them, helping you take your planning game to a whole new level. The first few pages prompt you to analyze yourself and develop a vision for your future. There are separate pages for building awareness and self-discovery, defining your daily rituals, creating a vision board, and visualizing your life in 1, 5, 10, and 20 years. This way you can imagine your perfect future and understand what you need to do to get there. Once you've done the groundwork, it's time to set yearly goals. Setting goals in 8 life areas will help you ensure you live a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. So do your best to set at least 1 goal in each area. Every 3 months, break your big yearly goals into smaller quarterly goals and brainstorm your way toward them using a mind map. Doing so will help you think strategically and find the most effective way to reach your objectives. We hope this planner will help you make the most of your time and ensure you live life to the fullest every day. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.